All right, everyone, we're back for part 14 of our holiday review series, and quick housekeeping here on the holiday review board. We've got some new challengers on the first comment section. We've got some nogs updated. South Mountain Creamery is still holding down the top spot. I don't think it's going to be beat, but I hope so if we find something better. So we're following up today's review from our last one, as most of you know. Really took some time to just decompress and reset. So it's really some time I needed for me, and just to reinvigorate myself. So I've done some reflecting, and yeah, we're gonna be reviewing actually a little sampler pack here, the Gelato Seasonal Flight. And normally I would just go, I'd just be reckless and go for a whole tub of ice cream, but we just got the sampler. That's all we need. Just a few samples. We'll just taste it a little bit, see how it is. I'm just focusing on me, this remainder of the year. So a lot more self-care. So we don't need to just be eating a whole gallon of ice cream. That's just crazy. So first things first, as always, we gotta lube up. Not a full-bodied nog, but it's got good flavor. So just some quick lubrication. So back to the Gelato Flight. As you can see, we've got pumpkin pie, which is seasonal, candy cane, and then really the main attraction, I know we're all waiting for, is the eggnog. So we're gonna start off with the pumpkin pie, and like I said, these are just samples. We don't need a whole big tub of it. We're just gonna try a little bit. Let's take it in here. Quick smell test. Very aromatic for pumpkin pie. So let's just go in here for a small little sampling of the gelato. We're gonna see if we can't get the proper scoopage. So got a nice small sample. Let's take a peek at the cross section. Okay. Okay. Pretty good. A lot of pumpkin flavor here. Let's go one more. Okay. All right. One more. Just a quick peek here. Yeah, I think these are the right size for us. We don't want to overdo anything. So, I have to say, other than a little brain freeze, it's delightful. We do need to cleanse the palate, as always. Okay, I think that's off to a good start. Very seasony pumpkin pie. So, okay, let's cut the candy cane. This one actually has a little bit of topping there. The other one, pumpkin pie, was just kind of plain. So we're gonna go in here for a little sample here of the pumpkin pie. Oh. Okay. Called it. Okay, one more. It's very pepperminty. I like it. Okay, that's it. One more. I like these. These are just nice little sample sizes. Just a little decadent little sample there. Very good peppermint flavor, I will say. So let's not forget, we do need to cleanse the palate. With a little nog. Now we're at the main attraction. Let's make sure we get every little detail here. We've got the creamy eggnog gelato. The creamy eggnog flavored Italian gelato with cinnamon. Let's see if it holds true. And it does. Look at the cinnamon absolutely coated. Complete dusting. All I'm getting is cinnamon. There is quite a layer of cinnamon, so we're going to go ahead and just nibble off the top here. Let's try just the cinnamon. Okay. And now we're fully in to the eggnog. That is quite a serving. Okay. One more little sample here. I will say the cinnamon definitely cleanses the palate. I will say the cinnamon probably overrided the eggnog portion a bit, but you know, these were delightful. They're just nice little serving size, seasonal serving size pieces for the collection. So I think it's great. We're off to a new start, you know, just taking it easy for the remainder of the season. So we'll be back with some more. We'll be up at the Maryland HQ this week, so we'll see y'all then.